Hi student, in last video I have explained you the fourth theorem related with the parallelogram. Now the remaining four theorem you will learn in this video. Now here we are going to learn theorem number 5, 6, 7, 8 which are under the condition to be a parallelogram. Okay, means किस किस condition में वो कोई भी quadrilateral parallelogram होता है. Now let's begin with theorem number 5. If each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. Means if a quadrilateral is given to you and it is given that the opposite sides are equal, then you can say that it is a parallelogram. So let's prove the theorem. According to the given, a quadrilateral is drawn A, B, C, D, and as we need to prove it a parallelogram, I have drawn the diagram of parallelogram. And what is given? ABCD is a quadrilateral and the each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal. That is AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. This is given, right? So given is ABCD is a quadrilateral with AB opposite side equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Now to prove that, we need to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. Means we need to prove, अगर हम ये प्रूफ कर देते हैं कि AB parallel to CD है and AD parallel to BC है, opposite sides are parallel, both the opposite sides are parallel, then we will be able to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram, isn't it? Okay, so to prove that I have one construction is needed. I have joined A to C. So join A to C. After joining A to C, I got a two triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Can you prove these two triangle congruent? Yes. How? See, this AB is equal to CD given. Opposite sides are equal, it is given. We can write BC is equal to AD. This is also given. And AC is equal to AC common side. So by criteria, SSS, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Isn't it? Now, can I write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT? And similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPCT. And you know that by converse of alternate interior theorem, means अगर ये alternate interior angles है तो फिर line has to be parallel. So AB parallel to CD and similarly if 3 is equal to 4, AD parallel to BC by converse of alternate interior theorem and therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Understood? So what I did in triangle ABC and CDA, we proved the triangle by SSS. First two sides AB equal to CD given, BC is equal to AD given, AC is equal to AC common and triangle ABC congruent to CDA by SSS. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPCT. Since the alternate interior angles are equal, the line has to be parallel. So by converse of alternate interior theorem, AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. Hence ABCD is a parallelogram. Isn't it very simple? So अगर आपको कहीं भी दिया है कि एक quadrilateral है और उसकी अगर आप प्रूफ कर देते हैं कि उसकी opposite side equal है तो वो parallelogram होता है. So let's move ahead with theorem number 6. Okay. Now what is theorem number 6? If in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angle is equal, in a quadrilateral opposite angles is equal, then it is a parallelogram. In last theorem you learned that if opposite sides are equal then also it's a parallelogram. And here you will learn if opposite angles are equal then it is also a parallelogram. Let's prove. So I have drawn a diagram ABCD. Construction we required join AC. And what is given? It is given that each pair of opposite angle is equal. That is angle A is equal to angle C. Also angle B is equal to angle D. And what is TPT? Our TPT is ABCD is a parallelogram. Let's prove. Let's begin with given. Angle A is equal to angle C. This is given, isn't it? So half of angle A will be equal to half of angle C. Half of angle A means angle A का जब हम half करेंगे तो we will get angle BAC, isn't it? This one, or you can say angle 1. And half of angle C, which angle half of angle C you will take? You will take DCA, that is this one angle 2. So angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. So by converse of alternate interior theorem, since the alternate interior angles are equal, the line has to be parallel. Hence AD, you can say this AD is parallel to BC, right? So similarly you can prove AB parallel to CD and hence ABCD is a parallelogram. Similarly, you can write AB is parallel to AB parallel to CD, and hence ABCD is therefore ABCD is parallelogram. Alright, both the opposite pairs are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. Also, BC is parallel to AD. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Right? Okay, let's move ahead with theorem number 7, which is also very easy. Theorem number 7 says, if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, the diagonals, see this, a diagonal bisect each other means AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD, then it is a parallelogram. You know that these are the properties. In a parallelogram, the diagonal bisect each other. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. These all are the properties, right? That properties only. लेकिन वो जो पहले के 4 थ्योरम्स हमने देखे उसका कन्वर्स है यहाँ पे. अपोजिट भी उसका ट्रू होता है कि अगर डायगोनल भी बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं then also ABCD is a parallelogram. So let's prove what is given. The diagonal bisect each other, that is AO equal to OC given, and secondly BO equal to OD. What is TPT? Our TPT is that it's a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, means we have to prove AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. Let's prove. Can we prove this two triangle congruent? Yes. How? See this. क्या अगर हम इस सेम डायग्राम आई हैव ड्रॉन ओवर हियर एन ट्रायंगल AOB and n triangle COD, can we prove? Very easily we can prove it. See, we can write angle side AO equal to OC, it is given. Then this AOB angle is equal to COD angle, vertically opposite angle. And we can write BO is equal to OD given. So by side, angle, side. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD, isn't it? AO equal to OC given. AOB is equal to COD, vertically opposite angles, and BO equal to OD. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent to COD by side, angle, side. And hence we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT. So by converse of alternate interior theorem, you can write AB parallel to CD. Correct? And similarly, you can prove, अगर ये angle हमने बता दिया, तो angle 3 is equal to angle 4, and you can prove that AD parallel to BC, and hence ABCD is a parallelogram because both the opposite sides are parallel. Understood? Now the last theorem is theorem number 8. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if the pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. Okay, it's a very important theorem. In many questions we are going to use this theorem कि अगर किसी भी quadrilateral की एक opposite side, a pair means only one opposite side, equal भी है और अगर वो parallel भी है तो वो quadrilateral parallelogram होता है. How? Let's prove it. And for the questions we can directly apply the theorem. Since the opposite sides are equal as well as parallel, therefore the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So what is a theorem? A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if the pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. What is given? A quadrilateral ABCD is given. Its one opposite side is equal as well as parallel. See, this is a diagram ABCD. In given I will write opposite side AB is equal to CD. Also AB is parallel to CD. This is given. What is to be proved? ABCD is a parallelogram. That is AB parallel to CD. ओके और AD पैरेलल टू BC. अपोजिट साइड अगर हम पैरेलल बता देते हैं तो वो पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ हो जाएगा. हाउ टू प्रूव दिस? कैन वी प्रूव दिस ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल DCA कॉन्ग्रेंट? क्या आप ये वाला ट्राइंगल ABC और ट्राइंगल CDA ये दोनों ट्राइंगल को कॉन्ग्रेंट प्रूफ कर सकते हो? यस, वेरी इजीली. सी, AB इज इक्वल टू CD, इट इज गिवन, राइट? So, and it is given that AB and CD are parallel. So, AC is its transversal. So, we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angle. And AC equal to AC common. So, side, angle, side. से दोनों triangle congruent हो जाएंगे. So, can we write कि angle 4 is equal to angle 3 और angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPCT? राइट. सो बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर थ्योरम, ये साइड तो उन्होंने पैरेलल दी हुई है, ए बी पैरेलल टू सी डी तो गिवन ही है, और हमने एंगल 3 और एंगल 4 को कॉन्ग्रुएंट बता दिया CPCT से। सो बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर थ्योरम क्या बता सकते हैं हम लोग, BC पैरेलल टू AD, दैट इज अब दो बोथ द अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल, हमने प्रूफ एक तो अपोजिट पैरेलल दी ही थी, और ये हमने बता दिया कन्वर्स ऑफ अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर थ्योरम से, हेंस ABCD इज अ पैरेललोग्राम। Okay, what to do? First of all, prove triangle ABC and triangle ADC congruent. How? AB equal to CD, it is given. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angle. Why alternate? Because AB parallel to CD, it is given. Since it is a parallel, then AC is its transversal. Then AC equal to AC, common side. Hence, triangle ABC congruent to DCA, side, angle and side, SAS. Now, therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPCT. So, by converse of alternate interior theorem, you can write AD parallel to BC. ये देखिए ऐसे Z बनता है वो. Hence, if the opposite pair of lines are parallel and equal, we can say that it is a parallelogram. Here, यहाँ पे दोनों साइड हमने parallel बताया, इसीलिए वो parallelogram हुआ. But we can apply this theorem कि if in a quadrilateral if a pair of opposite side is equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Okay.